Hi, this is Joan of Art. Have you ever seen the rain approaching? This is your Ilonggo channel and let's learn a few Ilonggo words, but also let us observe how the rain approaches. By the way, rain is ulan. Check out my video on the different types of rain. I have recorded it a few years back, maybe last year. I'll try to find the link on that and we'll post it down below.
Can you hear the coming of rain? Can you hear it? I can hear it. Like, it sounds like a crowd. It's howling. It's coming towards this direction. Can you hear it? It's like a thunderous applause. Like, and there's the rain. There it is. And then it will fall. Big. It's gonna be a big rain. Yay! Thank you, rain. Thank you. Rain, rain, rain. Here, I'll show you. There, can you see the raindrops? Oops. And the earth is dark again. It's moist, it's wet.
And it's raining hard! Woo! Woo! Can you see it on the ground? Woo! Harder! Thank you, rain. Thank you, thank you. I can hear you, I can feel you, I can taste you. Thank you, rain. Well, other words to remember: when there's rain, when you get rained on, you'll get wet. Wet is basa in Ilonggo. So they say there are just two seasons here in the Philippines. The dry season, mala, means dry, and the wet season, which is basa. But we don't call it dry and wet and mala or basa season. We call it tig-ululan for the rainy season, meaning ulan, or tig-ululan. Tig meaning it's time for rain. So tig-ululan. Tig-ilinit, tig is time for heat. So init is heat. So sun, that's the sunny part, and the rainy part is tig-ululan. I have to go back to shelter. This is Joan of Art. See you in our next video.